पास है नहीं अभी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 निकाल लो। उसका मेजर पहले मैंने काम किया ना, वो होपफुली आज अगर आपके लीनियर रिग्रेशन के मसले हैं तो सॉल्व हो जाएंगे। आई ट्राई माय बेस्ट। लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन 5 मैंने आई वांट टू कवर क्वेश्चन 5 फर्स्ट, कोडिंग वाला भी और साथ में जो बाकी काम है। I want to drive it because that's the A part, and even the B part is the same. So, yeah. What is linear regression?
It helps us make predictions.
How?
Train a model.
Okay.
By running certain weights. Once you learn.
Think of the most simplest example that you can give to make me understand what linear regression is. Someone asks you about, what is linear regression? What would be the go-to example?
आपको given values होंगी, आप मॉडल बनाओगे तो आप नई values को predict कर सकते हो।
But what is specific about linear regression? That it's by definition.
Linear.
Yeah, precisely. So, basic idea goes like this. You have a bunch of, let's say, some data points. Okay. And you want to find a line that best fits this data. Okay. Because the thing is, line could be this, right? Another line could be this. So forth, right? So what you want to find is, and this is the most simplest example because literally it's this example you can imagine if I were talking about three-dimensional space. What would this line chain transform to? Huh? A plane. Very good. Exactly. In a higher dimensional space it would be a hyperplane. That's it. Right? Okay. And how do you compute which line is the best line?
Whichever line defines the error. The distance.
Very good.
The sum of the distances.
Yeah. Does that make sense? Okay. So what is the error? Like if I want to, if you can show me, let's assume that this is my line. Okay. This is my line.
आपका point का distance from the line.
Okay, very good. So this is my error, right? How do I write it mathematically?
Y minus yi.
Very good. EI for the ith point, yi minus y. Okay. Now, what is so special about this error? Have you guys read the question first? Sorry. Just read question 5. Yeah?
First, find if your model equals to a plus b c by being the parameter z. Then run fit x is equal to c plus d by find parameter.
Yeah.
Then c.
Okay.
C.
ठीक हो गया। अच्छा, अब आप मुझे एक बात बताएं, इस पॉइंट के क्या है इस कोऑर्डिनेट्स?
X 1 1 1.
Yeah, but I mean just so that it's a general point, you've given me yi, right? It's a general point. It can be anything. What would be this?
X
Xi, right? Okay. What would this? इसके coordinates क्या होंगे?
x1 hat y1 hat. Y I x I hat y I hat.
So इसका होगा जो भी आपकी equation of the line से value आ रही है, let's denote it by hat, okay, and x hat. But actually, this point and this point are the same,
Yeah.
right? Because we are computing the vertical distance only. So this is your xi, right? And what you do over here is precisely this. you're saying, okay, what is the equation of this line? This is just y equals to axi, right, plus b. Make sense? तो ये यहाँ से आ रही है, okay. But what happens? Let's say if I have equal number of points below and above the line, what would be the error? 0. That's why I square it, because I want to make sure that all the individual errors add up and then I minimize that. That's the notion of squaring. So this is my now loss function. Square yi minus axi minus c, or right? Make sense? And you want to minimize this error. How do you go about it? First of all, so now you know what are these. These are the coefficients, parameters, weights, right? So this is what are these telling you? This is where does the line cut the y-axis. That's your key point. And likewise, it's telling you, the A is telling you how should the line slope be. Should it be more like this, maybe more like this, maybe like this, and so forth. That's quantifying that. Okay. So I want to minimize this. I'm going to donate it as this thing, A and B, which is the loss, right? And again, AXI, B squared. Let's minimize this.
Won't we first add a summation and divide by that number?
Absolutely. Thank you. This is the for one specific, right? I have to add these all up, and that would be the error. Okay. So do is alright, and this loss. Oh, sorry. इस पे आई नहीं होगा because ये तो पूरा 1, right? And then equal to sum over I and this thing over here. Does that make sense? Okay, fine. How do I differentiate it with respect to A? Well, the 2 is gonna come.
Times A is whole.
See? 2 over.
Times A.
No, with respect to आप कर रहे हो ना A.
X.
Yeah. So minus भी आ जाएगा because ये minus इसका minus. ठीक है? xi अंदर आएगा क्योंकि I के सामने हो रहा है, right? -2 बाहर चला गया, इसके सामने है I equals 1 till n, where n are the number of data points, ठीक है? And yi minus axi plus b, and this whole thing is getting multiplied by xi, right? And now this would be equal to just 0, right? That's what you do basically. Okay. -2 as 0, I can just cancel it. ठीक हो गया. All right. I'm gonna just expand it a little bit. ठीक है? xi is gonna get multiplied here. xi ठीक है? Minus ay again summation. xi squared, right? Minus, ठीक है. Here minus b times xi, and this is your on this end equal to 0. Clear?
Also, are we taking the squared error or mean squared error? MSE?
This is just your, I don't know how to mean squared error. वहाँ पे mean से आप कर रहे होगे. I think this is the MSE ही है.
In MSE, we divide by the number of points.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. अभी I wanted to basically just talk about this and जो n से divide करना है आपने, वो तो end पे भी कर सकते हैं, right? उस पे कोई वो नहीं. तो and now ठीक हो गया. These are the coefficients that I have to find, right? A and B. Okay. I know in retrospect that the equation of minimizing the loss with respect to the B parameter is much simpler, and then so I'm going to do that first and then substitute its value over here B. ठीक है? तो उसके लिए it's simple enough. एक दफा में हम बता सकते हैं. 2 आ जाएगा, right? You'll get 2 over here and minus 2 actually, but yeah, and that's it. Just this thing over there, right? समझ आ रही? ठीक हो गया. यहाँ से अब इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई सारा सम कर देते हैं. I equals 1 till n y I over, okay now, a xi, same thing, and what is this equal to? What is this equal to? G? Yeah. So this is just n. This is just n. ये बात समझ आई? Summation अगर अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है तो it's just this number over here. ठीक है? B times that. So now I can divide by n over here, and with n over here, and also the 0 by n. Doesn't really matter, that's just 0. So what is this? This is just y bar mean minus ax bar, again mean of that, and then minus b equal to 0. From here I see the expression which is this. And now I'm going to substitute this into in here. Okay? So I equals 1 till n xi yi minus a xi का स्क्वायर. अगर मैं इधर n स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करूं, क्या ये एवरेज है? एवरेज का स्क्वायर है या इज इट xi का स्क्वायर? Okay, let's say I'm divided by n squared. Would you call it x square bar? No, right? Because ये ith एंट्री का है, ठीक है? वो जो चीज होगी वो ये होगा xi ओवर n का होल स्क्वायर, और अब आप i पे सम कर रहे हो तो पहले सॉरी ये नहीं, वो चीज ये होगी, राइट? यहाँ पे आप पहले उसमें सम करोगे, आप मतलब x1 करते हो, फिर उसमें स्क्वायर करते हो, फिर उसमें x2 ऐड करते हो, x2 का स्क्वायर ऐड करते हो, राइट? दिस इज बेसिकली दैट थिंग, राइट? वेरिएंस क्या होती है? मीन ऑफ x स्क्वायर्ड माइनस मीन स्क्वायर्ड, तो ये वो चीज है, मीन ऑफ x स्क्वायर्ड माइनस मीन स्क्वायर्ड, so this is this thing over there. Okay, sorry for the digression, let's go ahead. xi and minus b by sorry b by माइनस b की जगह पे क्या था, y माइनस a hat bar right, and then sum I equals 1 till n xi, yeah, that's it. ठीक हो गया, equal to 0. By the way, I think question number 2 भी यही है। तो अब बताते हैं मुझे ज़रा जल्दी से, y बार आ गया, ठीक है, और ये आ गया I equals 1 till n xi minus minus plus a x bar, I equals 1 n xi equals 0. Same expression over here, ठीक है? अच्छा, तो अब बताएं क्या किया जाए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इधर भी n से डिवाइड कर देता हूँ और इधर भी n से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ। 1n over n 1 होता है, राइट? आई कैन डू दैट, मेक सेंस? ये क्या बन गया? y bar x bar, ठीक है, प्लस a x bar, और ये आगे हो रहा है तो क्या करता हूँ फिर अगेन n से डिवाइड n से मल्टीप्लाई, ये चीज मुझे दे देती है x bar, so I get this and this, and the same thing over here. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई एवरेज का एक्सप्रेशन नहीं बन रहा। Does that make sense? Why नहीं बन, क्यों नहीं बन रहा? Right? क्योंकि ये एक तो जॉइंट है और यहाँ पे उसका स्क्वायर, गुड, इक्वल टू 0। ए क्या बन जाएगा? ए वाली टर्म्स ये प्लस है या माइनस है? प्लस, ओके, थैंक यू। ओके, so I'm going to take those over there, right? And this is I equals 1 n xi yi minus n y bar x bar over, यहाँ से मैं अगर इसको उधर ले जाऊँ तो मेरे पास क्या बन जाएगा? a xi का स्क्वायर प्लस n a x bar स्क्वायर, राइट? ठीक है, ओके, और फिर मैंने a इधर ही रहने दिया है तो हाँ ठीक है, a इधर अगर रह गया, a मैं यहाँ से कॉमन ले लेता हूँ इधर से, इन दोनों से, राइट? सो बाकी चीज़ें डिवाइड हो जाएंगी उससे जाके, सो दैट वुड देन बी n plus n x bar. This is my expression for a hat actually, because you guys realize that I'm differentiating with respect to, यहाँ पे मैंने क्या गलती की है? I've actually clearly made a mistake here. Here And think about this expression over here. Here and here. I mean, it's obvious, but still. G. I've made a mistake here. What is that? You're trying to find that minimum point B hat such that at that point the derivative goes to 0. तो इसलिए ये B hat है. डेरिवेटिव आपने निकाल लिया सारा कुछ और अब आप वो B hat सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, right? Likewise, A equals A hat and
Also, when you bring
G.
the NA x bar square term to the other side, it should become negative, right? Then it should be.
No, the thing is negative नहीं ना होगी क्योंकि मैंने A कॉमन ले लिया. So this is what's happening. I'm taking A.
Yes, but first you're taking the A term to the other side, yes?
Yeah.
So that. You're first taking the A term to the other side and then you take it common, right? So minus the summation that becomes plus and the plus becomes a minus. And plus NA x bar square.
Thank you. You're right. ये वही आप कह रहे हो इधर आएगी तो.
Yes.
हाँ, ठीक. Second.
Also, if we were doing partial L by partial B divided by N towards the end,
Yeah.
and divided by N over here.
We don't need to.
Uniform dividing by N. Be consistent.
Because no, the thing is, at the end of the day, you want the expressions, right? Now, because you are minimizing the expression on the right hand side, you have 0. So literally, you can do anything you like, right? As long as it's going to remain the same. Like the minimum point B hat will remain the same, right? Because अगर आप n से इधर divide कर रहे हो और उधर 0 आ रहा है, जो भी होगा, eventually जो B hat आपको मिलेगा, वो same मिलेगा. Because essentially मैं जब n से divide करता हूँ, I don't just divide it by n. I've never done that अभी तक.
You did on both sides.
Yeah, exactly. अच्छा ये हो गया. अब हम चलते हैं नोट्स की तरफ. So लेकिन आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन है A हैट का वो ये बना हुआ है और B हैट का ये है. B हैट का हमारा एक्सप्रेशन इधर गया. B hat is y bar minus A hat obviously x bar. ये ठीक है, सही है. वो वाला भी ठीक है, but the point is कि there is what these notes have done and what you're going to do in the code is that you're going to represent this in terms of covariances and variances, right? So A hat is Sxy over Sxx, right? So I've computed A hat like this, right? Now I'm gonna so you have ये I can upload, I can basically do this and this, plug these expressions here, right? And see if I get this expression. I mean then they will be equivalent, right? Because the thing is, to go from here to there is more difficult, so we're gonna backward reverse engineer it.
Yeah.
Okay. Time. Sxy 1 over n of y. These are going to get cancelled, by the way. 1 over n minus y or 1 over n minus y, right? Because ratios, right? So I can just write it Sxy over Sxx, which is just sum xi minus x bar minus y bar, right? And that's about it. And likewise, the denominator में x minus 2 आ जाएगा. X minus xi minus x bar का square. I equals 1, I equals 1. ठीक है? I'm going to just expand this one to make you see that term, right? The numerator आ गया तो denominator भी आ जाएगा. Because of time constraints, I'm going to do just one. Okay? So I just multiply these xi by I. Clearly that expression over there. Okay. And then xi times this plus xi minus y bar with the minus sign minus x bar yi plus x bar y bar. Clear? I'm just solving it for the numerator. ठीक हो गया? Okay. ये वैसे ही रहने देते हैं, वो तो ऊपर पड़ी हुई है, right? बाकी इनको देख लेते हैं. So this is what I equals 1 minus n x I y bar. Y bar कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. N से divide, n से multiply. This is just minus n x bar y bar. Likewise this y I पे है, क्या हो जाएगा? Minus n times x bar y bar plus x bar सम होगा ना, तो उसके सम से n आ जाएगा 1 n x bar y bar. क्लियरली एक्सप्रेशन आ गया है, बिकॉज ये आपका वो I equals 1 till n x I y I. ठीक है? और this is what n. So what do you get? These two cancel and you get just the remaining expression is just this thing over here. Right? Clear हो गया? अब इसको कोड कर लें. ठीक है? I want you to keep in mind one thing though, which is necessary for part B. I took this distance, right? What's so special about this distance? Okay. But I mean, why vertical?
You could go the other way as well.
Exactly. We can go the other way as well. That's something that you're going to see in part B. So in that, you're going to take this distance. So you're going to minimize. Will the lines be the same? That's a question.
Okay, because for the other line we're writing
Because-
x and not y. The line
Yeah,
will be
so
different.
the thing is that over in A part, you guys have read the question.
Yeah.
You're trying to minimize this distance, right? And you're adding up all of those distances, right? Here you're trying to minimize this distance. Likewise, whatever that is, this distance, and so forth, right? Those are two different things. Make sense?
And you're predicting x now, so it should be different. Line, it should be a different direction now. Because we're predicting a different variable. It's not.
No, you're not trying to predict a variable here. You're just trying to find the best line.
Yeah.
But the best line involves multiple ways of, like, you can, for example, let's say you don't want to do that. You don't want to calculate the vertical or the horizontal. You want to calculate this. It's an equally valid distance to compute, right? So it depends on you. And by the way, one more thing to highlight over here is this. When you're computing this, right, you're trying to minimize this. You're actually indirectly, because you can imagine it, right? It's a right angle triangle or some sort of triangle, and this is your right angle triangle. This is your vertical and this is your horizontal, right? So you're trying to minimize this. And just so you saw, what is this expression over there? What are these two? This is xi minus x bar, right? So that horizontal distance notion. What is this? This is along that hypotenuse thing over here. Although not, it is, huh?
It has to be a sum.
I should, no, it is a sum.
Yeah, I meant should xi minus x bar shouldn't be plus y yi minus y hat instead of being multiplied together.
Over here,
Yeah, they should. I don't think they should be multiplied, should they? The hypotenuse.
for the,
Hypotenuse.
oh, नहीं वो तो यही है क्योंकि we just saw the expression, right? But this is basically, what is this? ये है क्या? को
Covariance.
I'm not sure exactly covariance है या नहीं, but something similar to that. And this is the other thing is your, what is this? Horizontal beam, but ये असल में क्या है? This is variance, right? And ये covariance होगी, हाँ, ठीक है? तो अब हम चलते हैं कोडिंग वाले पॉइंट। जो डेटा था वो मैं कॉपी करने लगा हूँ, ये ठीक है, बाकी सारा कुछ करने लगा। ठीक हो गया? सबसे पहले क्या डिफाइन कर लेंगे? n क्या है हमारा? लेंथ ऑफ x और y, right? Okay, fine. What do we need? We need average of x. That is just length. क्या बताएं जी? np dot sum x divided by n, right? इसी तरह से एवरेज ऑफ y को मैं कर देता हूँ डिफरेंट तरीके से, मीन करके, मीन ऑफ y. Does that make sense? Let me print these so I know that there is nothing wrong. Three. Does that कुछ सवाल है तो प्लीज पूछ लें. Okay, mean is not defined. Why is mean not defined? Because मैंने NP नहीं लिखा था. ठीक हो गया? सही है. Okay. What more do I need? I need the app. So actually मुझे चाहिए basically B bar का expression कहाँ गया? Did I remove it already? B hat का. But I mean है वो इतना simple ही है ना? तो सबसे पहले मैं SX, Y और SX वो डिफाइन कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है? ये क्या है? सम x माइनस नहीं माइनस x की एवरेज ना और उसका फिर स्क्वायर, राइट? AVG ऑफ x NP से होगा NP डॉट सम एंड देन पहले सम होगा सम ऑफ स्क्वायर्स है ना, तो पहले सम होगा, राइट?
The sums on the outside, the squares on the inside.
So what you're saying is it like this?
No,
No,
I don't think so.
it's like this, right?
Yes.
तो इन दोनों में फर्क क्या है जी? What's the difference between this and this?
That's sum of squares, that's square the sum.
हाँ, समझ आ गई? तो फिर क्या करूँ?
X minus L to X star 2 inside the given brackets.
ठीक हो गया। एस एक्स वाई डिफाइन कर देते हैं, वो है एंटी डॉट सम अगेन, अब क्या है? एक्स माइनस एक एवरेज ऑफ एक्स स्टार मल्टीप्लाइड बाय वाई क्यूब, राइट? वाई, और इनको मैंने डिवाइड भी करना है इन सम्स को। किससे डिवाइड करना है? n माइनस वन से।
Is it necessary to really do that?
जी,
Do we have to do that? Because then you're dividing them the 1 over n minus 1 parameters cancel out, as we saw.
yeah, you're right, you don't need to। You don't have to keep on। सम हो गया, आगे क्या करना है? ए हैट डिफाइन कर देते हैं,
Which is sxy over
एस एक्स डिवाइड बाय,
sxy over sxx.
ठीक हो गया, एस एक्स, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब एवरेजेस हमारे पास आ चुकी हैं, यू नीड टू डिफाइन बी हैट। What would b hat be equal to?
Average y minus
Average of y minus a hat. So a hat needs to be below that. That's it. Right? समझ आ रही है? आपको आ रही है? पक्का? A hat times x.
average of x.
जी?
Average of x.
Yes. Okay, fine. So ये हो गया, ये आपका a hat और b hat हो गए हैं। अब आपको क्या डिफाइन करना है? x वैल्यूज, उस पर आपने प्लॉटिंग कर ली, वो क्या होगा? मैंने मैट डॉट नोट किया yes, ठीक है। तो np डॉट नेमस्पेस, ठीक है, और x को आप कर दो, x की मिनिमम रेंज दे देते हैं उसको, टू मैक्सिमम रेंज दे देते हैं, और 1000 स्प्लिट कर देते हैं एक्सिस को। y वैल्यूज क्या होगा? y वैल्यूज वुड बी x values times what?
We have
A hat plus good plt dot plot plot x values, y values, ax plus b ठीक हो गया plt और जो ये कमांड होती है
Yes.
और कुछ हो गया सही है अच्छा और आई वांट टू डू दिस नाउ अच्छा आप एक बात बताएं बी पार्ट देखें जल्दी से क्वेश्चन का बी पार्ट देखें How do you think I should proceed?
We're doing the same thing just for different equations. So we already have the
So now, what is the equation? X equals to
c plus dy.
C
C plus dy.
dy. What is this?
Xi minus x hat.
And what is this?
C plus dy.
Very good. Perfect. So now I'm going to try to minimize this. I'm not going to do this in the class because it's exactly the same procedure. But what you can immediately see what's going to change in that expression, which was sxy over sxx, right? Okay, this was a hat. Now, what would d hat be equal to? First of all, y equals to ax plus beta, or c is equals to c plus, sorry, x is equals to c plus dy. These are the two equations, one in part A and one in part B, right? What, and I know the points are the same, right? Why don't I just, if I do this, I make x the subject over here, okay? If I make the subject, this is y minus b, right? Over a into x, right? And what this tells me is that y over a minus b over a x, right? I have computed b hat, I have computed a hat, I can just plug those in. If I do that, if I do it via this method, would the lines be the same?
They should be.
Exactly. Because here I'm just taking, it's this, if I plot this line or this line,
It's the same
they're the same
line.
lines, right? It shouldn't matter. Do you get it? It shouldn't matter, right? If I'm नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या आ रही है जी
कंटिन्यू कर दिए
ठीक हो गया they're the same lines, right? Hence now I'm going for this method. This is why it specifies in the question using linear regression, right? Now the lines are going to be a little bit different, right? Because of this expression over here. So what you can immediately see, what you can do is you can say that, okay, you know what, by looking at this and by looking at that, d is equals to 1 over a and likewise for b. But this would be incorrect because you're supposed to use linear regression in calculating b hat and c hat, right? Okay, fine. So for a hat, जो a का coefficient था, x का coefficient था, right? That was a, and for that you had this expression. यहाँ पे उसका coefficient y का क्या है d. D hat, you can even like obviously you're gonna solve it in the your homework problem,
It will be
but
sxy over sy
precisely.
You don't have to actually go to-
Yeah, but still, I mean, if you're gonna do that, then I would suggest that you do the B part because A तो मैंने कर दिया है. तो B कर लें, variables change करने हैं, आप कर लेंगे आराम से, कोई मसला नहीं होगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. Likewise, what would C hat be equal to?
X hat minus D y hat. Oh wait, x bar minus D y bar.
C hat would be
X bar minus D y bar.
this thing?
Most probably.
No, you're telling me this in terms of X bar and उसे क्या कहते हैं? Okay. हाँ, P.
It is the same pattern.
Yeah. सही. Bar. Okay. ठीक. तो अब मुझे define equations. Good. C hat is equals to
Average of x
average of x minus.
D hat shown here.
Okay, so I will define D hat first. D hat is equals to.
SXY.
I'm just gonna copy paste this.
But we don't have XYY yet.
Okay, so you can define it. I can just copy this SXX and just replace x with y, right? Or
We didn't relabel it. The name still SXX.
oh,
Below.
good. Thank you. Or D hat has been defined. Likewise, average of A. So what would be D hat
And D hat
times average of y, right? Okay. Now for this, by the way, okay, what is now I have to chop my y-axis, right, into these intervals, right? Because I'm going to be plotting y as a function of x. Sorry, y as a function of x.
X is a function of Y.
X as a function of y.
X.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. X as a function of y, so x values. उसके लिए मैं 2 कह देता हूँ उसको y values. Sorry. The same thing. NP dot in space. But यहाँ पे अब y में ना जाएगा, right? Because I'm doing y and x values 2, which will then be equal to what? Y values times
D hat.
B hat plus C hat. Okay. Likewise, now I have to plot. I'm just going to take this thing. X values 2 आ जाएगा इधर, Y values 2 आ जाएगा. I'm going to label it green. This is just x is equals to dy plus c.
They're the same almost.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Obviously, it's not going to change much, right? But it's just the fact is that now you're taking. First, you were trying to minimize this distance, right?
Our
Now you're
distance
trying to
changes.
minimize this distance.
The difference is because we changed our distance. method.
Yeah. The error basically. Okay. Likewise, now you want to plot scatter plot, PLT dot scatter and x, y and क्लियर हो गया? So this is your, by the way, we have let go of the convention by the way here, right? Normally you have independent variable on the horizontal axis, but now you have a dependent variable on the, make sense? And you chop that yeah, you chop the, I mean they have been switched,
Yeah.
right? Make sense? Essentially आपको ये भी हो गया है, I mean ये अब आप खुद ही देख सकते हैं, I mean
We'll see. I won't see.
yeah.
Question 7 very long.
Question 7 yeah.
It's a coding question.
जी
It's a coding question.
ओके अगर आप लोग ओके सो आई वाज हैड प्रिपेयर्ड एवरी ये वाला लास्ट ट्यूटोरियल ये मेरे को आया नहीं था, तो उसकी वजह से प्लस लाइक आई हैव माय कॉलेज एप्लीकेशंस, तो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दोस. तो हाउ अबाउट दिस, यू गाइस ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट ऑन योर ओन, एवरी वन ऑफ यू, ठीक है? इफ़ यू फील कि कोई मसले आ रहे हैं तो आप ईमेल कर दो, और आई कैन फाइंड द टाइम लॉगिन के अंदर.
Next Monday night. So we could next Monday we could have tutorial on question 7.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, next Monday for.
Huh,
Okay, fine, fine. Yeah, then I'll cover it. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Thank you for informing me. I was not on my mind. Yeah. और बाकी आप लोग खुद कर लो. ठीक हो गया. Thank you.